All right, today's the day. Laravel Cloud is here. If you have a project and you're ready to go, use the timestamps in the description to jump to deployment. Otherwise, we're going to spin up a brand new Laravel 12 project and deploy it in 5 minutes. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is open up a new command prompt and navigate to any programming directory. And then we want to create a new Laravel project. So we'll run Laravel new cloud party. We're going to use Livewire. And we'll use Laravel authentication, use pest. And now we do want to run npm install, so we'll say yes. And now we're going to cd into our cloud party. And before we run composer run dev, we want to modify our environment variables and migrate the database. So we'll say code dot, open up Visual Studio Code, or just open it manually. Now open up your env file. And update your database settings to your local MySQL setup. And save. Now we'll open a terminal and we'll run php artisan migrate. And the database doesn't exist, so we'll create it. All right, now that our migrations are run, we're gonna run our server. So we'll say composer run dev. Now let's open up a browser window and check out localhost 8000. And there we go. We got a Laravel 12 project running. We can test out the registration functionality. Beautiful. So it's working. The project is ready. Now let's deploy. So the first thing we want to do is make our GitHub repository. So go to GitHub, make a new repository, and we're going to name it Cloud Party. And make sure you choose either public or private and create. And now we want to initialize our local repository and sync it to GitHub. So we're just going to run these commands. So we'll open up our command prompt. We'll stop our server and run the commands listed below. And now we want to add all the files that we just created. So we'll say git add -a. We'll make our commit. Add our remote. And we'll push. All right, now if you go back to your repository and you refresh, you can see that we have our code in here. So now it's time to deploy. Head over to cloud.laravel.com and you can click sign up to create a new account. And since we already have one, we're just going to sign in. And you should see a blank screen like this. And so the first thing you want to do is click new application and hook up GitHub. And so we're just going to select the repositories that we want. And we'll select Cloud Party and install and authorize. And now for new application, we'll select our repository. The application name is fine. The region's fine. And we'll say new application. And just like that, you have a network, a server, domains, and almost everything you need to be up and running. So one of the last things you want to do is click add database and create a database. And we'll leave this as Laravel serverless. Cluster name is fine. Database name is fine. And we'll hit create. Okay. Now make sure you click save changes. Now in your settings, you can make sure everything looks right. The environment name, the Git branch, your PHP version. And then in here, you can see your environment variables. For example, you'll just have your app key, which is all you need. And then in here, you'll have your injected variables. And that's going to be everything related to the database that you just created, similar to a default env file you would get in a new Laravel project. So now we'll go back to environment. We'll click deploy. And now we wait. All right, deployed. And that took about 40 seconds. Now we get this little visit button. And if you go back to environment, that's going to be your cloud domain provided for you right here. And you can click this visit button. And look at that. This is live deployed from a Git repo. We can register. And our project is running on Laravel Cloud. Last thing you can see, if you go to settings and deployments, we have this push to deploy enabled, which means we can open up our code, head into our resources, views, dashboard, make an update, save our changes. And now we can run git add all, git commit -m, push. And now if you go back to our Laravel Cloud and go to deployments, you can see that our commit automatically got pulled in and it's automatically being deployed. We can click on that, make sure everything's running properly. And just like that, less than a minute later, we can go back to our dashboard, refresh, and bam, updates pushed to Laravel Cloud live. That's it. You're up and running on Laravel Cloud. Leave a comment and let me know what you're going to build. And as always, happy coding.